Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about something exacting and stylish, short haircut ideas for women. If you have been thinking about cutting your hair short, this is your sign to go for it. Short hair is not just trendy, it's a bold, fresh and full of confidence. It's easy to manage, perfect for any season and makes you feel light and free. So let's explore some of the most beautiful and popular short haircut ideas you can try. Let's start with the pixie cut. The pixie cut is short, modern and full of attitude. It's perfect if you want a bold and confident look. You can keep it soft and feminine with side swept bangs or go aggy with short layers and texture. It's a low maintenance style that looks great on women of all ages. Next up, the bob cut, a timeless classic. Bobs never go out of style. You can choose a chin length bob, a blunt bob or an angled bob that's shorter in the back and longer in the front. It's a super haircut. You can wear it straight, wavy or even curly. It always looks chic and elegant. Now let's talk about the layered shortcut. Layers add volume and movement to your hair, making it look fuller and lively. If you have thin hair, short layered cuts are a great choice. They make your hair look bouncy and textured. Add some highlights or soft waves and you will have the effortless salon style look. Another trendy option is the shag cut, casual and cool. This cut has uneven layers and gives a relaxed, messy look that's perfect for everyday wear. It's great for adding personality and texture, especially if you like that just walk up stylish vibe. If you want something in between short and medium, try the lobe, also known as the long bob. It's usually shoulder length or just above, so it gives your best of the both worlds. You can still tie it and to you want, but it's short enough to stay light and trendy. Let's not forget the short curly haircuts. Curls look amazing in short styles, whether you have natural curls or like to style them. A short curly bob or pixie with volume on the top looks fun and full of life. It frames your face beautifully and gives a playful look. If you like a modern twist, go for an asymmetrical cut. One side is slightly longer than the other. It's bold, unique and stylish. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.